Citation Ascend improves upon our current best-in-class maintenance intervals. We expect the aircraft to offer 18-month or 800-hour airframe maintenance intervals, 6,000-hour time between engine overhaul, and 3,000-hour hot section inspections for customers enrolled in a Power Advantage program. The aircraft also includes more standard equipment to support troubleshooting: an electronic engine chip detector, Pratt & Whitney's Fastbox for full flight data acquisition, storage, and transmission, Linksys and Linksys Air for in-flight diagnostic transmission, and Textron Aviation's aircraft recording system, tracking over 9,000 parameters during operations to support troubleshooting and trend monitoring. Customers will enjoy a trifecta of superior warranties on the engine, paint, and interior for elevated peace of mind. This includes a 3,000-hour or 5-year engine warranty and 2-year paint and interior warranties. Finally, we've included design improvements throughout the aircraft based upon 2 decades of feedback from our customers in the field. A new wingtip for cleaner lines and edges, all LED lighting, and a pylon work light over the baggage area. The Citation Ascend gives customers more of what they need to keep their aircraft operations running smoothly and efficiently.